two soundscapes, and a quatrain. This August morning, there's a call and response thing going on between two birds, one to the left and one to the right of the road. The one lets go with a riff, not a riff exactly, a genetically determined sequence of notes that says, I am a bird of this species, of this family, of this place. Then the second echoes the sequence, waits a second, then the first reiterates his line, and the other sings again. These two birds are related, no doubt, brothers or cousins, parent and child, or uncle and nephew. The web of kinship they perceive is, no doubt, as meaningful as that in which we humans find ourselves enmeshed. The sounds behind the stillness never change, and in the background we can hear each sound. The calls of birds, the buzz of bugs arrange a pattern in which silence forms the ground. But night unveils the world of noises more completely after the sun rays illuminate the sand under trees across the ravine in a final glow, and then withdraw gently, scratching, bowing a single note, first nearby, then far away. Insects chisel out a sound, and then it rises in waves down by the creek. Across the way, these creatures call out. They're singing. Their chorus peaks, then falls. There are bird calls, too, above the canopy. Then the legato, long-line notes return, draw a thin penciled mark across the sound world. This land is alive. There are thousands of beings giving their all, giving their voices, all asserting their presence behind and above and beyond the silence which they construct.